banana smoothie. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you an apple banana smoothie, right? So I have here one ripe banana, I have an apple, you can use any apple you choose. I have a half glass of milk, my yogurt, I have some cube ice, and I'm gonna use my bullets. So let's get started. I'm now going to add the ingredients to the blender. Started with the banana, dice it up, and the apple, and I'm gonna add my yogurt and my milk. Foods are in, I'm gonna add my yogurt. Use whatever flavor you want. This is the apricot flavor. You can use any brand you want. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my milk. You can choose any milk you prefer, whether it's almond milk or regular milk. Like you guys, you can choose not to use any ice. I'm gonna cover. And there you have it guys, all done. All done. My apple banana smoothie. So I'm gonna glass it now guys. I'm gonna glass it. Wow. The rich, beautiful color. Look at that white, delicate color guys. Yum yum. Let me taste it for you. Oh gosh, this is nice. If you notice, I didn't put any sweetener in it. The banana and the apple and the yogurt makes it delicious. No sugar needed. So guys, it's back to school and we might be in a rush to prepare our children breakfast. This is a good breakfast item. They have the right nutrients for the day to learn. You have right banana, apple, you have the milk, you have a little yogurt. So go ahead and whip it up in no time. It is ready for breakfast for them, all right? So go ahead and try it, guys. It tastes so lovely. Go ahead and try it. You will never regret it, all right, guys? So if you like this video, share it to the friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this nice smoothie. All right, guys? It's my apple banana smoothie. All right? Go ahead, guys, and try my nice smoothie. All right? So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye. Apple banana smoothie.